All right, this video is going to be a lot different than usual. It's an Air Force One, all right? And it's women's Air Force One 07. I'm trying to think if I looked these up and I didn't. I maybe need to go in and do a description of this shoe because I'm not going to be able to take it out. This one is moving on to someone. They already have it, but I can't pull it out. Let me read the label. Because I know you guys are like, what are you talking about, man? Just take that joint out. I can't. Take it out. All right? So what do we see here? Caution. Seam ripper. Don't actually rip the seams. Sandpaper. Don't rub too hard. Knife. Don't cut the leather. Now, this thing can be modified, and the very cool part of the shoe is that different parts of it look different as you wear it and if you want to modify it. All right, so it's a crazy shoe. Nike comes up with these great concepts. But this is the thing, it's sealed. So I can't open it because it's sealed. And I don't want to mess it up or do anything weird, so I have to. This is the best I can do for you guys. So I'm going to move it up really close to the camera so you can get the more details. The color, White-Multicolor, the style code CJ1650-100. The shoe only costs $110. With all of these different small specializations on it, it only costs $110. All right, the 10.5, I would be surprised if you get knockoffs of this. I'm also surprised that it's not hitting gigantic resale numbers. You would think that it would be hitting gigantic resale numbers because of how it can be personalized. So let me move this up and show you guys. Okay, you see right there where you have the tab, you can pull that tab off and the swoosh will be black, right? And it's on both shoes. And you see how this crinkle is. You can sandpaper it, which you really shouldn't sandpaper it like it said on the bag, but you can design this thing and change it around to match. I guess it's not really a match. I'm not even sure what colors are under there. It looks like a peach that's underneath it, doesn't it? This thing is crazy. I love to see somebody who actually bought this to keep it and see what they did with it. If you guys know anybody that did something with these and did a video for it, man, link it down in the comment area so I can check it out. Don't use a lighter. Don't tear the stitches. Don't use a butcher's knife. Don't cut the leather underneath. Do be creative. Let it wear away over time. Try a wet sponge. Use your fingernails. The lace tip can help. Wow. Caution, seam ripper. Don't actually rip the seams. Sandpaper. Don't rub too hard. Knife. Don't cut the leather. This is really cool. All right, let me move that up so you can see it. The do's and don'ts. Caution, do's and don'ts. That's it, man. I'm going to stop right there and end that. Move on to the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Remember, if you've seen a video where somebody actually wore these joints and they modified them and stuff, let me know. It's a women's shoe, like I said. Did I give you guys, oh, there is a QC sticker on the inside. I know somebody's probably gonna be like, hey, what's the QC stuff? QC sticker is QC6 OK, and I'm sure there's a stamp, and there is a stamp on the inside of the lid. That stamp is 513202B2, so 5/13/20 is the date. I can't look in here at all and see the dates of production, so I can't help you with that, but these joints are legit. It's a nice shoe. And I'm just stunned that it's not going up in resale value. But that's a good thing. You get a pair, you can enjoy them. See you guys on the next one. Peace.